Welcome back, children. So, today we are going to discuss on the exercise of air and water. But before we start doing the exercise, let us revise or recapitulate the chapter about air and water. So, you should remember that we have to learn the spellings thoroughly, which we have already discussed in the previous video. And after learning, practice writing. We always see that around us birds fly in the sky, kite fly in the sky. So, air is all around us. We cannot see them, we can only feel when it moves. Moving air is called wind, but there are two more forms of wind. One is breeze and another one is storm. And there is a basic difference between these two. Gently moving wind means slowly moving wind is called breeze. Fast moving wind is called storm. Air is actually a mixture of gases. Therefore, it shows all the properties of gas. And we all know what are the special features of the gas because we have already learned about the chapter of matter. It fills all the space available to it. What are the ingredients of air? Means air is a mixture of gases and it contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium and many more gases. Some more dust particles and few water vapors as well. Apart from this, air also has germs. So, we are breathing in oxygen and we are breathing out carbon dioxide. But with the help of this oxygen and carbon dioxide, means only the help of that carbon dioxide, plants make their own food and they give us oxygen during the daytime. Air provides the gas that living things need to breathe. For example, animals take in oxygen and plants take in carbon dioxide from the air, but during the daytime, not during the time of breathing. Plants only take carbon dioxide while they cook their own food. Yes, plant can cook their own food. Living things also release the waste gas into the air. So now what are the functions of air? Wind helps to move sailboats and windmills. Air also helps birds to fly in the sky. It helps in the movement of aeroplane, helicopters, gliders and in flying kites. Air also dries our clothes faster. Cool air makes us comfortable during summer. So these are the functions of air or the special features of air. Water is abundant substance on planet Earth. It covers about 3/4 of the Earth's surface. All living things need water to survive. We use it for various purposes, for drinking, bathing, cleaning. Water is also known as life. Water is present in all the three forms in nature, as ice in mountains, water in rivers, oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. and water vapor in air. What are the states of water? There are three states of water. Solid is ice, liquid is water and gas, steam or water vapor. These states can change from one form to another. The process of fast conversion of a liquid to gas is called boiling. Boiling is different from evaporation as it is a very fast process, while evaporation is a very slow process. So this is a basic difference between boiling and evaporation, that boiling is a fast process and evaporation is a slow process. What is water cycle? If we are reading definition, then water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle, which is already given in page number 107. Water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. But if we are going to explain in and discuss it how the water cycle is going on in everyday life, so let us know. In nature, water keeps on changing its form continuously through evaporation and condensation. The sun heats up the earth and we get the warmth of the sun. The heat changes water in rivers, seas, lakes, oceans to water vapor. As the water vapor rise up, they cool and become tiny drops of water. These droplets collect around dust particles in air to form clouds. Now, these tiny droplets of water in a cloud, when they joins together, they became large water drops, and that time a cloud can't hold them. They are very full and heavy. So these droplets fall on the ground as rains. Remember children, in last video I have told you a story of drip drop. So it's related to that only. The rainwater runs back rivers, seas, oceans, etc. The process goes on continuously and is called water cycle. Now let us discuss the question and answers. But before starting a question answer, I have a suggestion for you. When you are writing a answer of the question, then you should always remember that read the question and try to understand the question. Give it some time before you write a answer. This is the first thing. Second thing, that when you are writing an answer, always remember if there are two questions or might be three questions together, see it, understand it and write the part answer. Always start in a next line. Suppose there are two questions together, so after first question, when you are answering the second question, that should start from the next new line. Even for the third answer, that third answer will start from the next line. And always when you are putting the number from a question, then you should remember that you should check the question number and then you should write it properly. So these are the basic suggestions how to write your question answers. And not only that, try to keep your copy neat and clean while you are writing this question answer, and learn the questions spelling, question answer spelling thoroughly. So question number 1, what is the difference between breeze and storm? What is the difference between breeze and storm? Answer: gently moving wind is called breeze. Gently moving wind is called breeze, while fast moving wind is called storm. While fast moving wind is called storm. So learn the spellings of the answers. Question number 2. How much of water is present on the earth? How much of water is present on the earth? Answer: water covers about 3/4 of earth's surface. Water covers about 3/4 of earth's surface. This is just an answer which I am discussing with you. You can write your own answer, but always remember your answer should be completed properly. Question number 3. How is boiling different from evaporation? How is boiling different from evaporation? So there can be another question, that what is the difference between boiling and evaporation? Same question, so just the way of the question will be different. Answer: boiling is different from evaporation as it is a fast process, while evaporation is a very slow process. Boiling is different from evaporation as it is a fast process, while evaporation is a very slow process. So if the question is like that what is the difference between boiling and evaporation, then you have to write in another way that boiling is a very fast process, but evaporation is a very slow process. Question number 4. What is boiling? Give any 3 uses of air. What is boiling? Give any 3 uses of air. So you can see here I have given you 2 questions together. So this is a part question. So how we have to write? Just look onto the slide. Answer. The process of first fast conversion of a liquid to gas is called boiling. The process of fast conversion of a liquid to gas is called boiling. Now the next question is give any 3 uses of air. So this is a part question. So start from the next line. The 3 uses of air are as follows. A. Air dries our clothes faster. Air dries our clothes faster. B. It helps to move sailboats and windmills. B. It helps to move sailboats and windmills. C. Air provides the gas that living things need for breathing. Air provides the gas that living things need for breathing. For example, living things takes oxygen from the air to breathe. Living things take oxygen living thing take in oxygen from the air to breathe. Question number 5. Define water cycle. Define water cycle. Define means definition or what is water cycle. So answer will be water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. Water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. So what is water cycle? Define water cycle or give a definition of water cycle. Same question. So the answer pattern will be according to your question. If you ask define water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. But if the question pattern change, your answer should be according to the question. Question number 6. What are the 3 states of water? What are the 3 states of water? So the answer will be the 3 states of water are solid in bracket ice, liquid in bracket water and gas in bracket water vapor. So what are the 3 states of water? The 3 states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Question number 7. What is wind? Question number 7. What is wind? Answer will be moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Question number 8. What are the sources of water? What are the sources of water? The sources of water are oceans, ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, etc. The sources of water are oceans, ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, etc. Question number 9. Name the gases which we breathe in and breathe out. Name the gases which we breathe in and breathe out. Answer. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Question number 10. Draw and level a water cycle. I think you can see a sample picture which I have already given it to you. There you can see 4 labeling has been done for you. One is evaporation, and there is an arrow which is locating towards the sun, means from the river it is evaporating. So the arrow and evaporation writing is very important. Then there is another arrow which is towards the cloud, and another cloud, and it is written condensation. It is written condensation. So evaporation means the water is going up because of the heat of the sun, then it is forming a small cloud, then a bigger cloud, and it is known as condensation. And then when it is coming down as rain is known as precipitation. When it is coming down as rains and making a stream, it is known as precipitation. And you can see in the stream also, in the fountain also, you can see there is a arrow which is locating that the stream is from the mountain, it is coming to the ocean. And there is one more arrow, you can see that 2 trees, and there is in the middle there is a arrow which locating transpiration, means when the same evaporation from the water, and transpiration is also the same procedure when a gas goes up to the air as water vapor to form the cloud. It also helps in water cycle. So this is also an important thing. So this 4 thing with the particular arrows, you have to practice it very well.
Now children, let us do some fill in the blanks. Answers I am going to discuss only. You have to write the answers on your own. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Moving air is called dash. So what is that this chapter is all about? You know, moving air is called dash. Number 2. Air is a mixture of dash. Air is a mixture of dash. What is the hint? The hint is like what you see. We can't see it, we can't feel it, but we know it is a mixture of dash. Number 3, dash dries our clothes faster. So what can dry our clothes faster? One is sun and another one is what? Guess and write. Dash dries our clothes faster. Number 4. Apart from gases, air also contains dash and dash. Now rest, I am not going to give you any hint. You have to do on your own. Read the chapter thoroughly to get these answers. Apart from gases, air also contains dash and dash. Number 5. Cool air makes us comfortable during dash. Cool air makes us comfortable during dash. Cool air makes us comfortable during dash. Number 6. All living things need dash to survive. Number 6. All living things need dash to survive. Now we are going to do choose the correct spellings. So you have already learned the spellings from the chapter. So let us do. You can either circle the correct spelling or you can also underline the correct spelling. So the first spelling I have given you. Number 1, CAMFORTABLE, comfortable. So there are 2 options given. Choose the correct one. Number 2, gliders, GLLIDERS. I have given you this spelling, but you have to choose the correct option from given below. Number 3, vapor, VEPOUR. Again, I have given you 2 options from each. And number 4, condensed, CONDENNACD. I have given you two options. Choose from there. Thank you.